TCN Pizza Vending Machine, engineered specifically for pizza sales. Its spacious design supports 12-inch and smaller pizzas, holds up to 80 by 10-inch pizzas, equipped with a 0C to 25C refrigeration system to keep every pizza fresh. Equipped with a 32-inch high-definition touchscreen, XY-axis rail system ensures smooth, precise, and stable delivery. In non-heating mode, the dispensing takes as little as 100 seconds. Heating time is fully customizable via the back end, up to a maximum of 300 seconds. Total power output reaches 6,600 W. Features a neon-lit pickup port with anti-pinch protection, plus a separate cutlery dispenser for added convenience. Enjoy hot, fresh pizza, fast, easy, and always satisfying.